You know what? A question that I always got every time that I got into with a marketing company. One of the main things they said to me is like, "What is your marketing budget?" I'm like, okay, well, I don't know. Sometimes a company doesn't know, especially when you're starting. So, can you guys go into detail, like, why does a company needs to know their budget? Why is it important? And as a marketing company, how you guys can help a company when they define what a marketing budget is?
Well, I talk to multiple different clients, different businesses, different types of businesses on a daily basis. And 90% of them, all right, so I'm saying 10%, 90% of them don't even have a marketing budget allocated for themselves at all. All
Mm,
right.
Wow.
So it's going ahead and helping that business finding what amount of money they're making and what they can go ahead and allocate for themselves. So then you can go ahead and say and find the next ROI for whatever product that they're selling. So at
Got
the
it.
end of the day, if someone's selling a t-shirt and they're going ahead and buying that t-shirt for $2, all right,
Mhm.
but they're selling it for $5, that's not going to be a good return on the investment because you're going ahead and spending $6 to market it.
mm,
Got it.
mm. Wow.
So at the end of the day, you want to go ahead and make sure that you're going ahead and getting at least three times the amount of what you're paying for. So if I'm going ahead and spending, uh, let's say $1,000, all right, I should get three times extra results for myself. So I should be
Got
going ahead
it.
and getting $3,000 back for
Gotcha.
my business.
Okay.
So the ratio is 1 to 3 type of thing, right?
Yeah.